I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I put on my clothes quickly. I put on my clothes quickly. My bicycle is parked beside the wall. My bicycle is parked beside the wall. I check the tires of my bicycle. I check the tires of my bicycle. Good. Both tires have enough air. Good. Both tires have enough air. I push the pedals with my feet. I push the pedals with my feet. The birds are singing beside the road. The birds are singing beside the road. I enjoy riding my bicycle every morning. I enjoy riding my bicycle every morning. I slow down because of the crowd. I slow down because of the crowd. I stop my bicycle beside the shop. I stop my bicycle beside the shop. I lean the bicycle against the wall. I lean the bicycle against the wall. I need rice, oil, and some vegetables. I need rice, oil, and some vegetables. I take out my wallet from my pocket. I take out my wallet from my pocket. I count the money carefully, one by one. I count the money carefully, one by one. I give the money to the shopkeeper. I give the money to the shopkeeper. I hold the bag carefully in my hand. I hold the bag carefully in my hand. I decide to hang the bag on the handle. I decide to hang the bag on the handle. I hang the bag on the left handle. I hang the bag on the left handle. The bag swings slightly from side to side. The bag swings slightly from side to side. I feel a little unbalanced because of the bag. I feel a little unbalanced because of the bag. I ride slowly and carefully on the road. I ride slowly and carefully on the road. I hope the bag does not fall off. I hope the bag does not fall off. My shirt flaps in the strong breeze. My shirt flaps in the strong breeze. I love riding my bicycle in the breeze. I love riding my bicycle in the breeze. I take a deep breath to calm myself. I take a deep breath to calm myself. My bicycle hits a very big stone. Oh, the bicycle jumps up very high. The bicycle jumps up very high. I feel a sharp jolt through my body. I feel a sharp jolt through my body. I am falling off the bicycle. I lie on the ground for a moment. I lie on the ground for a moment. I am okay. Nothing is broken. I am okay. Nothing is broken. I brush the dust off my clothes. I brush the dust off my clothes. I stand up slowly on both feet. I stand up slowly on both feet.
Good. I can stand without any problem. Good. I can stand without any problem. I pick the bicycle up from the ground. I pick the bicycle up from the ground. I check the wheels and the handles. I check the wheels and the handles. Good. The bicycle is not damaged at all. Good. The bicycle is not damaged at all.
The bag is still hanging on the handle. The bag is still hanging on the handle.
I dust off the bicycle seat carefully. I dust off the bicycle seat carefully. This time I ride extra carefully. This time I ride extra carefully.